let us see what a solution will look like. A solution, of course, to the API security problem, right? Number one, you would like to have a platform that addresses the discovery, posture, runtime, and testing pillars that we mentioned earlier on. Okay? You would like to satisfy all these different requirements. Discovery, I'm able to discover the APIs that are operating under my ecosystem and their metadata. Based upon the metadata, I'm able to address any misconfigurations, posture. Runtime, I'm able to detect abnormal, anomalous behavior so that I'm able to detect active attackers. Okay? Testing, the best case scenario, discover security vulnerabilities during testing, not in production. And all that must be supported by a set of services that provide you administrative, authentication and authorization, analytics, and reporting. You would like to also have the ability to integrate with all the different systems that are executing under any enterprise organization, right? API gateways, cloud platforms, CM systems, different workflows so you can automate your workflow and so on, CI/CD platforms. And then you would like to be able to deploy across the organization, right? Do you want to have a full SaaS deployment? You can. Do you want to have hybrid? Would you like to have the self-hosted? With whatever that means, right? The SaaS platform is managed by us, by the vendor, and you have reduced cost of ownership. Self-hosted is on the other side, where you have it's inside your intranet, potentially air-gapped, and you have full control. But the cost of ownership is much higher. And then you have a hybrid solution, which is the best of both worlds, pretty much. Okay. So that's what a solution is going to look like. Now, with respect to the no-name platform, and I'm showing you these diagrams so that I can stress to you where does it fit in your ecosystem, in your enterprise. The no-name platform is not a gateway. It is a monitoring service. It's a monitoring service. So you have your users and then you have your different APIs, right? Your users, or the users of the APIs to be more accurate, which are other applications. They're executing in all kind of different platforms. And this is independent of what no-name does. No-name listens and inspects API traffic. That's what it does. How does it receive the API traffic? It's not in line. We're not going to interfere between the API, the server, and the client, the API user. Okay. Instead, we'd be able to use technologies such as mirroring, such as logs, such as by installing some sort of a plugin, a policy inside an API gateway. And we're able to receive the traffic that way. Okay. We're able to receive the traffic that way. As soon as the no-name platform sees the traffic, it inspects the traffic, discovers APIs, learns API behavior, discover abnormal API use, anomalous API use. And as soon as we discover these instances, we trigger security vulnerabilities. And we're going to talk about in detail those security vulnerabilities. Okay? Great. We're moving into the actual exercise, right? The slides are done pretty much. We're done with the slides. There's nothing else to show in the slides. Okay? Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to start working on an exercise where we're going to see the different features and functions of the no-name platform. Okay? We're doing that next. And with this section is done as well.